listen carefully and read the question twice. Here is your question. They always say that discrimination is the biggest struggle or problem that LGBT faces. Now, why do you think people don't understand us and criticize our gender? And what can you suggest to solve it? Again, your question is, they always say that discrimination is the biggest struggle or problem that LGBT faces. Now, why do you think that people who's not in our community don't understand us and criticize our gender? And what can you suggest to solve it?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what do I think that the people is still what's your name again?
People don't understand.
Yes, don't understand that we LGBT is, I think that's right.
That LGBT is being criticized and discriminated.
Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, first and foremost, I think because LGBT itself, they didn't respect themselves first. Because I believe that respect begins respect. Respetuhin muna natin ang ating mga sarili bago tayo respetuhin ng ibang tao. Ladies and gentlemen, ang daming baklang gawa ng gawa. Dahil ng dahil hindi kami nire-respeto ng mga tao sa paligid namin. Ngunit kung titingnan natin sa kabilang banda, kami ba bakla? Nirespeto ba namin ang sarili namin? So ladies and gentlemen, how could I fight it? The mathematical method. Ladies and gentlemen, the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. First, I add positivities to ourselves, then subtract the negativities. But the people in respect, it will be multiplied so that the people are able to divide respect, love, and understanding to us LGBTQIA+ community. Ladies and gentlemen, at the end of our journey, still, we are all human. Ladies and gentlemen, always remember that since 1963, according to the Diagnostic Statistical Manual of Mental Disorder, that being a gay is never been a sin. It has never been an abnormality or disability. But rather, we can think like a man and we can think like a woman. We can feel like a man and we can feel like a woman. If man can do, and women can do, I am pretty sure that we can do better. Ladies and gentlemen, always remember that LGBT lives gets better if we are together. Thank you and good evening.
What an average.